Good morning. My name is Daniela Del Bocca. I'm a fellow of Collegio Carlo Alberto and University of Turin. And today I want to talk about the research that I'm coordinating at Collegio Carlo Alberto named CLEAR. CLEAR stands for Closing the Gender Pension Gap, Raising Women Awareness. And the topic is the gender pension gap, which in Italy is higher than other European countries. What I will do today is to share some slides that summarize in the hypothesis, the methodology, and some of the results of our research. So this is the title, as I was saying. The research explores, in particular, the role of information in increasing women's knowledge and awareness about their future pension in Italy, and the context is the Italian context. In Italy, the gender pension gap, as I said, is quite high, is about 30%. 36%, and is higher than the European average, while in many Northern European countries is much less, even less than 20%. So this is a graph that shows you the difference, and as you see, there is quite an heterogeneity of difference in gender pension gap in Europe. This high pension gap in Europe, in Europe as well as in Italy, and especially in Italy, is related to two factors. One is the labor market experience, and the other one is the lack of information that characterize women knowledge about pension. Italian women, first of all, tend to have less attachment to the labor market, lower participation rate, lower weekly hours of work, so they contribute less to the labor market and interrupt more frequently their career because of childbearing. The pension system in the last few years, moreover, underwent deep changes, introducing what is called the Notional Defined Contribution (NDC) scheme, where the pension entitlement are tightly related to pension contribution. And this reform that happened over a few years increased both the individual responsibility and also the complexity that determined the benefit. So, in other words, women and men need more information. Because of that, the European Commission has encouraged government to develop a clear communication to help individuals that are closer to retirement or further to retirement to plan in a more rational way their retirement decision. In Italy, the Italian Social Security Institute, called INPS, inform annually the workers of the evolution of their pension. However, in spite of the newly available information, Italian women remain less information than men. So we want to explore these differences and explore in particular the impact of more information on women awareness. We start our research interviewing a sample of 1,249 working women in the age range 26 and 64 regarding the personal characteristic, the labor market history, pension knowledge, and saving and investment planning. So our the first data we collect with this first questionnaire confirmed the general lack of awareness among women about their pension, which confirm, as I say, what has been found before, that women are less informed than men. So we want to explore the role of information, and to do that, we randomize the sample in two groups. The first group, the control group, does not receive any treatment. The second group, instead, the treated group, receive a treatment which consists in 3 short tutorials. The tutorials are basically 3 brochures and 3 videos, which provide information about the link between labor market experience and retirement perspective, the functioning of the pension system, some basic element, also wealth accumulation and saving pattern, which help women to build some wealth saving on to compensate the potential lower pension. So this is an example of the video that the women receive, of the 3 videos the women receive. You can click there and go see the video. These are Italian, but there is also one in English that we did for our student. And then there are 3 brochures. And as I said, the 3 topics are labor market, pension characteristics, and wealth accumulation. So after the tutorial, we administer a second questionnaire, similar to the first, to both groups. But this questionnaire has requests more information about the content of the tutorial. So we compare the answer of the control and the treated group, and we are able to evaluate the impact of the information given in the tutorial on women awareness, knowledge, and retirement plan. So first of all, we have to say that the tutorial were very appreciated by the treated women. About 80% rated the content and the clarity of the tutorial as excellent or good for each of the 3 topics. The comparison showed that the treated women are indeed more likely to be informed about their future pension. We show you a graph that has in which we show that a larger share of treated women answer correctly more questions about the pension system, 3/4. So as you see, the highest number, the greatest number of women, 3/4, concern the treated group. And the specific questions that are defined below consist on the pension of current retirees and financial contribution, to give an idea of, to try to investigate if they know how the pension work. The future pension will be financed by future workers, so these are both true or false. And then multiple choice question, one concerning the basis for calculating the future pension, and the other one, the link between life expectancy and monthly pension. So we basically put together all this incorrect answer, and we see that the treated group seem to be more informed, respond more correctly. We then use also a regression analysis to estimate the impact of the treatment, and the results show that the treatment has a significant impact on women, both knowledge of the pension system, financial literacy, understanding general concepts like interest rate, inflation, risk diversification, and then their awareness that additional pension information, given especially early on in their life, could change their work-life decision. So this the conclusion that we can draw from our research, from the result of our research, may have important policy implication. The main policy implication is that information policies appear to be important ways to improve knowledge and stimulate interest for additional information. In fact, on one hand, they impact significantly women awareness, and on the other hand, they are inexpensive to implement. I want to also give you the name of the research team: Marta Angelici, Noemi Oggero, Paola Profeta, Maria Cristina Rossi, Claudia Villosi, and we all from Collegio Carlo Alberto and University Bocconi. The 3 institutions involved were Collegio Carlo Alberto, Department of Equal Opportunities, and Censis. Thank you very much.